Hey nail fam, I hope that you guys are doing well. It is Nails by Tia Bella here, and we do have another fantabulous package here from the brand melodysusie. I love using melodysusie products. I have all of my nail drills from melodysusie, and they have been expanding their product line, and they were kind enough to send me over this lovely little gift box, guys. I'm loving this design that they have in the box here. So I thought I'd share this with you in today's video. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in watching, definitely please continue watching. So we do have our lovely little thank you card. It is the small things, guys. I love these little small touches. So melodysusie, thanks for your order. Your support is invaluable to us. They did send this over to me as a gift, guys. So this is PR gifted. But I do believe this is available. And this would make a perfect gift if you're looking for a gift going into the new year. This definitely would make a wonderful gift as well. So lovely little card there. This is what the box is looking like. Oh, that's a fun fact. I didn't know that they've been around since 2009. Well done. All right, so I love their boxes, guys. I never throw these boxes away. I always repurpose them for something else. This little design here, absolutely beautiful. If you want to put something over here, like a nice and beautiful sticker, you can do that. But this box is stunning, guys. Here's a side profile, blue on that side, and then at the bottom we do have some little information about, you know, the little stuff. There is a little seal there. You can just kind of cut that open, and ta-da! Here's what the inside is looking, guys. A lovely, beautiful box. We got like a little vellum kind of little insert sheet here. Lovely gold foiling there on the packaging. Absolutely love these little special touches. Ooh, blue. And she's shimmery. She is gorgeous. Is this like a little storage pouch? That is nice. So it is a bit of like a clear PVC plastic on the outside, but there's like a shimmery fabric on the inside. We do have some silver hardware on here. Is this branded? Is a branded tag? No, it's not. That's cute. Nice little square tag. You open up your zipper and you have yourself a lovely little storage pouch that stretches open. That is really nice. Here's what the side profile is looking like. A little peekaboo window there. And we open the side over here as well. So you can definitely add a little bit of your essentials, your nail essentials if you're traveling. On the inside of this bag, we do have two little pockets with a little bit of a net pocket there. So that's two little pockets for maybe your drill bits, your files, your little small essentials. And then we have a bigger open space here if you can put some of your, you know, other nail essentials as well. Really nice bag. I love it. Very travel friendly. I love this beautiful color. It is definitely reminding me a bit of Greece, and it goes nicely with the color that they have on the exterior as well. That's absolutely gorgeous. So that is your lovely little pouch. Then we have a foam insert that is dividing it from whatever else is underneath here, and looks like we have ourselves a lovely little portable lamp, is that, and we have ourselves a gel polish. To the side here, we have ourselves, is this a glass file? Ah, it is a glass file. That is quite nice, actually, guys. So you can use this glass file on your natural nail. I don't know if you could see that, but I'm going to come a little bit closer and just kind of round that off just a little bit. You can see how that is working absolutely amazing. Very nice, very nice. Be sure to clean your glass file when you're done and just keep it stored. Don't throw this plastic thing away. This is a good storage box. Store that back into there. Now, before you use it, obviously be sure to sanitize it. Give it a nice little wash, sanitize it before you actually apply it onto your natural nails. But it is nice to have a lovely, small, portable file that you can carry with you. That is nice. What else do we have in the box here? It's a lovely little gift box, guys. Honestly, it's really nice. Now, Fleury is their brand of gel polish that they have ventured into. That's something very new for me. I only discovered this a couple of months ago, actually. So this is their gel polish, and owing to the presence of natural ingredients as a substrate, thin coating can cure in 1 minute, whereas a thicker coating may necessitate an extension to approximately 2 minutes. Okay, so go in with very thin layers and cure it for 60 seconds. The bottles are stunning. Again, it is definitely giving me Greek vibes. I want to be in Santorini right now, and I love the packaging, guys. Absolutely amazing. 15 ml bottles, really big bottles. We have a little sticker to the top here. It tells us what the color is. This is looking like a creamy off-white, perhaps. Let's go ahead and open this up. We are going to give it a nice cure. Oh, that is beautiful. You see that brush? You see that expansion on the tip there, and you see how tapered that brush is to the tip, which is quite nice, guys, because our nails are slightly tapered around that cuticle area. It is not a square brush. It is not too round. It is nicely, and it gives us, oh, absolutely beautiful. I love that color. So that's reminding me a little bit of like a sandy kind of toned color. Absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead, and thick too. Like melodysusie's gel polish have always been that nice thick consistency as well. This one's called P11. It's giving us a very pinky rosy kind of color. Let's go ahead and open sheet. Oh my, oh, do you see that shimmer? That's shimmery. Oh, did not see that coming. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is beautiful. I'm gonna need some swatch sticks. Oh, you know what? That would be perfect for a French manicure set. Is that what's going on here? Travel babes. Get your French manicure, simple, elegant. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 swatch sticks there. We're gonna go ahead and give that a cure. What do we, oh my goodness. Oh wow, it's a portable, oh, I did not know that. So, oh, there must be more at the bottom. Guys, oh my gosh, you have yourself a portable, I did not look to see what this was here. I thought it was going to be like a file or something. Oh my goodness, wow. And then we have ourselves the lamp. Oh my goodness, wow, she fancy. I don't even know how to open this. I should really read the instructions before I, oh my goodness. So I should read the instructions, guys, but I like to oh my goodness, what? Stop it. Oh, okay. So the bulbs are in here, guys. And you put your finger, oh, wow. That is so cool. Talk about innovation, guys. Look at this cute little flower, the details, guys. Wow, okay. We're figuring it out together, guys. We're figuring it out. Anything else here before I lift this up? Okay, great. Let me just take this little foam piece off. There's more, guys. There's more. Oh my goodness, that was quite a surprise. That was nice. Okay, so we have ourselves a beautiful, lovely, beautiful artwork on our little drill pen here. And obviously they're going to send some drill bits, so we're going to put the drill bit here. This is a portable one, so whilst you're on vacation in Santorini or Greece, guys, you could just take your little portable. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. That's the power button. You can increase the speed with the plus. You can decrease the speed with the minus there. There is a little portable, there's a, not portable, there's a plug insert. You're going to have to do, you're going to charge it at there as well. That is so nice, guys. All right, let's pull up this last little piece to the bottom here, and this is where everything else is. Oh my goodness. What an amazing gift set. Warranty information if you need to reach out to melodysusie, that is that. It does come with some information. A mini nail dryer. So this is the nail polish curing lamp, and this is the instruction manual. The basic information from melodysusie to the back there. Check before using. Note for the battery. The battery needs to be charged fully before the first use to ensure optimal performance. So I actually need to charge up this thing to full capacity before I actually use it. So that means I'm going to have to do another video. Do not overcharge the device or use it whilst it is charging, guys. Charge the device in a well-ventilated condition between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. Do not charge the device close to anything flammable or explosive. Do not cover anything on it when it's charging, and charge the device once every 3 months to keep it in normal condition. So don't go fully charging this and then go putting it back on the charger again. Read your instructions, guys. It says to charge the device once every 3 months. Now, this is what? This is the nail lamp? Okay, sorry, this is the nail lamp. I thought this was the drill, because I was like, once every 3 months? This nail gel about to be the most longest lasting nail gel ever. So the nail lamp does not need to be charged multiple times. Just make sure she's fully charged and she's going to last you for 3 months. That's insane. All right, so the nail drill. Let's move on over to our nail drill pen. Check the cord device before using. Do not use the damaged cord to charge the device. Only to plug this device into a voltage system that matches the voltage system specified. Improper usage can cause damage and it will void the warranty. So again, if you do not use it according to the manufacturer's instructions that they have given you in your package, you do not go there complaining and saying, I need my money back. You're not going to get your money back because you did not follow the instructions, guys. Read your pamphlets. These are not in here to take up space. Don't throw these away. Read your pamphlets. Note for the battery. Fully charge the battery before the first use to ensure optimal performance. So when you get your package, put it on charge for full. For full, not 70%, not halfway, full. Do not overcharge the device. Again, same information, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, no flammable or explosive, do not cover with clothes, nothing charge and discharge the device once every 3. Also, they have, both of them are the same. They only want you to do it once every 3 months. All right, yes, so there are 6 bits. There's a safety bit, 2 safety bits. There's a cone nail bit, there's a needle bit, there's a barrel ball top medium grit bit, and there's a mandrel, and plus there are some sanding bands as well. I'm just going to pull this up to the screen so that you can have a closer look. Please read your instructions, guys. I don't know what else I can tell you there. You want to minimize yourself damaging yourself and causing any unnecessary pain or stuff like that, guys. Please read your instructions. All right, so it does come with a beautiful set of nail drill bits, which we just named those off. That's a ceramic bit, not to be used on natural nails. We have a nice little cute little cloth in there, pink cloth in there as well to wipe down any excess dust. I love these. Oh, wow. I have some more. I love these little fine ones because they work so perfectly on that cuticle area, guys. I love them. 100% love them. So we don't have the thick mandrel bits like we usually get. We get this little small, skinny, small one. I love it, guys. I love these skinny mandrel bits. They work exceptionally well. They are a premium product. Absolutely amazing. So I love that I have some more. I need to buy like a wholesale pack of these. I love them so much. Here is the charger plug for the nail lamp, and then there's also one for the nail drill pen there as well. That's it inside the box, guys. Everything you need to do your nails. Oh, I love this little, you see that? I love that. Oh, I love that so much, guys. So everything you need to do your nails, and it can go into this cute little bag here, is right here, guys. Okay, you have your portable nail lamp. Do your nails, cure it under the lamp when you're done. You have the charger here. Give it a full charge. Here's your charger for your nail drill pen. Give it a lovely full charge. Look at that. That is beautiful. I can't do this on camera because they both need to be fully charged before I can do that. What I can do on camera though is I'm going to go ahead and swatch these, okay? And I will do a separate video of me actually putting these into full use, guys. And you have your drill bits and you have your sanding bands, guys. And you have your file to prep your nails, guys. Absolutely amazing. Everything is going to fit into this nice little portable bag. Now, the last thing that we need to do before we wrap this video up is definitely give these 2 beautiful, stunning colors a lovely little swatch. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my little towel here. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and swatch these gorgeous colors, guys. Oh my goodness, I love it, guys. Okay, here's my swatch stick. And we are going to go ahead and see how stunning is this. I'm just going to bring you a bit closer here, and we are just, look at that coverage. Oh my goodness, guys. And I'm going in very thinly here, and it is giving us coverage. It is giving us pigmentation. It is giving us self-leveling. How gorgeous is that? That is pigmented. I mean, if you've been rocking with melodysusie for a while, you know all of this. You know how amazing their products are. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. I feel like going to Greece now. I love it. I'm going to go in with the second layer as well. And let's go ahead and give this stunning pink. This might just be my new favorite. Okay, let's go ahead and take that out of the bottle. Oh, the shimmer on this, guys. Oh my. Okay, hello, bubblegum. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful with a soft hint of glimmer. Yes, oh, beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is gorgeous. Do you see? Oh, I left a little bit on this. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. And she's a nice thickness, guys. Like, she's not too thin. She's not too thick. She's not running and moving all over the place. Perfection. Perfection. Oh, she is stunning. Let's give that a cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And I'll be right back, guys. Here's what those two colors are looking like. They've only had one coat, guys. I mean, that white, this off-white, beautiful, creamy. Oh, it could do without. It does not. I'm shocked. I am shocked. It literally does not need another coat. It literally doesn't. This pink, if you wanted to stay sheer, doesn't need another coat. There's no streaks. There's nothing. Like, I mean, I don't expect anything other than the best from Melody Susie, but that is pleasantly stunning. I'm gonna go in with the second coat because, hello, yeah, you still, yeah. Like, I'm doing it because I feel like I just supposed to do second coat, but you could literally get away with one coat. Oh, this pink is perfection. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure what else I could tell you here, guys. Oh goodness gracious me, oh my, pigmented from the gods, going on smoothly. A beautiful fan of that brush. Look at that brush. This brush is almost can cover your entire nail. If you're new to doing your nails, whatever I'm saying, it might not make sense, guys, but when you have been doing your own nails for quite some time, some of these small things make a difference in how quickly you can finish your nails and get on with your life. That is absolutely stunning. Those two colors are perfect. I'm going to put them under the UV lamp for another 60 seconds, guys, and that is going to be it. Obviously, you're going to finish this off with your Melody Susie top coat, and you are done. Oh my goodness, this pink. I think I'm going to put this pink on my nail, like, right now. Like, I feel like I need this right now. Honestly, that is beautiful. All right, let me let those two give it a final cure, and then we'll come back, have a look at those swatch sticks, and finish this video off, okay? Here we go, guys. Here is a look at two coats of those beautiful colors from Melody Susie. I do believe I found my new favorite pink gel polish in the entire world. I just love that subtle touch of glimmer glistening through on this color. It is a beautiful pink gel polish. I'm happy that it's in a 15 mil, which means it's going to last me for quite some time. That's going to be it for me today. Thank you so much again to Melody Susie for sending me these amazing products. I feel like this is absolutely perfect, especially for those of us that want to do a little weekend trip, that want to go and travel with a little bit of essentials. Everything you need is in this gift kit. And if you're looking for a gift to give to one of your favorite nail addicts, this is definitely the one for you. Again, I do have a discount code and the link will be down in my bio. Definitely go ahead and visit Melody Susie. Thank you again, Melody Susie, for sending me these products. I will see you guys in my next video, guys.